My name is Alexis Nicole Gutierrez, and I'm CEO and founder of New Era Insurance. I have 12 years of insurance experience and 4 years in counting as agency owner. I opened my agency primarily all personal lines at the age of 26. Is what I knew, is what I had extensive knowledge on, but I wanted more. I reached out to Charles and I let him know January of year 2024, last year. I let him know, Charles, this is me. I have a successful business. I do a lot of residential personal lines, but I'm tired. I'm bored. The work is not motivating me anymore. I know there's a higher level that I can tap into. Please help me. I've heard a lot of your success stories. I've heard your podcasts. I can recite any of them, and I want to be your next success story. Would you work with me? I asked him to work with me. Charles has helped me with many things, but the biggest things that have made a difference in my life and in my business. One is my value differentiator. So what makes me stand out from the crowd? There's a lot of general lines agencies and agents that do many things. How can I stand out? How can I be that needle in the haystack? He helps me micro niche and find my micro niche based on my previous knowledge and what I already knew and what I could excel in. Also, the markets that I had access to. We narrowed down which markets I had access to, which I didn't, and it was just a process of elimination at that point. Finding my micro niche was difficult. It's not easy, but once you find it, you have the direction you're working in. Now it's a matter of getting the carriers that you need and prospecting like crazy. Charles also helped me understand the value of our relationship with our underwriters. How at the end of the day, they have the binding authority to write the business, and how our relationship with them is the most important. After that comes our clients, because if we don't have a relationship with our underwriters, we don't have a product to offer or to sell to our clients, to our prospects. So that was something that I wasn't exposed to before. He taught me how to speak with them, how to have a better relationship with them, what to look for in the good ones and in the bad ones. When I spoke and when I started working with Charles in January of 2024, I think my biggest account at that moment probably would have been $20,000 in written premium. Month 5 from working with Charles, I secured a commercial building. The premium was $60,000, so that was great, but I really got my big fish. January 2025 was when it really came full circle for me, and I secured my big fish. That premium was $320,000 in written premium amongst several policies: property, GL, directors and officers, crime, umbrella, workers' comp. So my micro niche is condominiums and HOAs and co-op buildings. I love property, and he helped breathe life into me. He told me, Alexis, if big agencies like these that I won't mention, if these big agencies can do it, you are no different. You can do it as well, and you can probably even do it better. Why? Because you have a smaller workforce where you can offer more intimate boutique style service, and that's what your clients are looking for. So don't shy away from maybe, oh, this person can do it better. No, you can do it better, and you will secure the accounts. All you have to do is ask. So keep in mind, I went from knowing so much about personal lines to diving deep and fast into this my newfound micro niche of commercial property, condo, HOAs, and not knowing any knowledge of it. So yes, it took me some time to learn the knowledge, learn the underwriters and the markets that I needed to approach while still running a business. And if you're also an agency owner that does a lot of personal lines, you know that personal lines clients will call you and pull you, and your team needs assistance, and they always have questions, and you need to be there for support. So learning this new knowledge of commercial property for condos specifically while running a business has been something that I have been trying to juggle for a whole year while prospecting. But it's doable. It's doable. And Charles helped me realize this account in $320,000 in premium equates to almost over 100 personal line policies. So one commercial account in my micro niche equates to over 100 personal line policies. That means over 100 phone calls, over 100 emails, over 100 submissions to different carriers. So he helped me realize where I need to be spending my time. He helped me realize that I need to start saying no to the things that I no longer want to put attention to, so that I have time to then entertain or give my attention to those things that I want. He helped me realize that saying no to different things open up the door for other things that I truly want. So working with Charles has been a world of a difference. It's been exactly what I've been seeking. So thank you so much, Charles. So I'm definitely not stopping there. I have bigger accounts that I'm prospecting, bigger accounts that I'm forming a relationship with. But it has been a world of a difference seeing how the same amount of work, if not less, will go into an account in my micro niche and by far blow all the revenue out of the water that I ever would have expected that I could make. This is a fantastic industry to be in. There is no cap. The cap is you. So I push myself every single day to do better, but Charles was definitely that catalyst for me. He helped my mindset go from here to here, and also to believe in myself, to know that I can do it. If there's other agents and agencies writing that same business, I am no different and I can do it. It's just a matter of going out there and getting it done. So thank you again, Charles.